In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage a loan in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set up the loan, what each field means, and how to review the balance and related activity with confidence. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left menu and go to Accounting, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is the home base for all your accounts, including the liability account you'll use for your loan. Click New to create the loan account. In the Account Name field, type a clear, recognizable name for the loan, such as the lender name or the loan purpose, so you can easily identify it later. If your company uses account numbers, enter the account number as well to keep your chart organized. For account type, select Non-Current Liabilities. This categorizes the loan as something you'll pay off over time rather than right away. For detail type, choose Long-Term Debt. This detail tells QuickBooks the specific nature of the liability and helps keep your reports clean and accurate. If this loan should sit under an existing liability account, turn on Make this a sub-account and pick the parent account. This is helpful when you want to group multiple loans or keep related balances together for reporting. Next, select the default tax code if that applies in your region. Many businesses leave loan principal out of tax calculations, so choose the option your accounting or tax setup requires. Enter the unpaid balance of the loan. This should be the principal amount outstanding as of the date you're starting your records in QuickBooks. Set the As of date to match your opening balance date, often the start of your fiscal period or the date you began using QuickBooks for this loan. QuickBooks will create an opening balance entry based on what you enter here. Add a description if you want extra context, like internal reference notes. Keep it concise and relevant. When everything looks good, click Save. To manage the loan going forward, return to Accounting, then Chart of Accounts. Locate the loan account you created. Use the search bar if needed to find it quickly. Click View Register to review the running balance and any loan-related transactions. The register is where you can confirm that amounts look right and see how activity affects the balance over time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.